You've seen this next comedian on Playboy TV. Yeah, he played the old white fat single plumber, Terry Johnson.
Hey, Steve, give it up for Steve. We're doing a good job for you tonight. Put your hands together. And put your hands together for the comedy class. Come on, make some noise for them. Yeah, I'm single. That's what he said. You got any single people here tonight? Girls? Huh? Yay! Yeah, I'm single. I live with my mom. I got my own room. And I did my chores before I came over, so Mom said I could bring a friend home. I usually talk about my mom, but my mom is in the audience tonight. Last Friday, Mom was 85 years old. Yeah, she's starting to celebrate her 86th birthday, just in case. No, I love my mom, I do. You know, when I was a little kid, my mom lied to me a lot. Yeah. One time she told us that what people do to have babies is called having relations. So every time the relations came over, I thought I was going to have a brother or sister. And then girls, she told me that girls really like little weebies. That was it. Mom? I don't know, you're making me really nervous. The biggest lie my mom told us, she told us that the music that the ice cream trucks play, that was to let us know they were out of ice cream. Mom, I wish you wouldn't call me faggot.
Okay, stop wearing my clothes.
Okay, Mom. Tell all these nice people who you are.
Oh, I'm Grandma Jean, and I'm a coupon addict.
Mom. That's tomorrow night's meeting. That's okay, Mom. How you feeling?
I'm feeling cranky.
Yeah, well, we're not going to have that crank talk tonight, but what I really want to know is, how's your health?
Oh, my health is pretty good, but I'm getting so blind I can't watch tennis on TV anymore. I can see the players, but I can't see their balls.
Maybe we should get you a bigger TV.
No, they need bigger balls.
Okay, Mom. Speaking of balls, how's your sex life?
Well, my sex life's not dead, but the buzzards are circling.
Mom, come on. How is your love life?
Oh, my love life is just like my Social Security. I only get a little bit. It's never enough to live on.
Yeah, but I heard you're going out with this 97-year-old dude.
He was only 96 and I had to get rid of him.
Well, how come?
Because he was always trying to get in my deep end.
NATO?
NATO.
What's NATO mean?
No action, talk only. He's not just a member, he's the president. Yeah.
Well, let me ask you, before that, yeah, my sister said that you went out with some new dude last night.
Yeah, I did, and he was so nice. But he tried to take advantage of me. Trouble is, I had to help him.
Okay, Bob, I got a question. Of all the men in the world, who would you consider as being the best date?
Well, it wouldn't be Santa Claus.
Why not?
Only comes once a year. He ran down the chimney.
Okay, Mom, be serious. Of all the men in the world, who would you consider as being the best date?
Oh, Bob Dole.
Bob, why Bob Dole?
Oh, because he's full of Viagra and he's only got one hand to fight me off.
I hear you've been doing some work for Viagra. What have you been doing?
Yeah, I'm writing slogans for him.
Can you share some with us?
Sure. Viagra, it never lets you down. Viagra is what's up front that counts. Viagra makes hard drive out of sloppy dicks. I mean discs. Yes, discs, yeah.
Yeah, I guess we won't see that one on TV, huh? You got any more?
Oh yeah, Viagra, it brings good things to life. Viagra, stiffy in a jiffy. Viagra, the old geezer pleaser. There's a few here. Listen, you guys, you older guys, see me after the show. I got free samples.
Hey, Bob, can I hear some of your favorites?
Oh, sure. For the attorneys, Viagra pro boner. For single guys, boner for a loner. For the brothers, Woody in the hoodie.
Oh, Mom, what's your all-time favorite slogan?
Oh, okay. Viagra, the quicker pecker picker-upper.
Give it up for my mom, 85 years old. Well, Mom, we gotta say goodnight.
We have to.
Yeah, I gotta get you back in the freezer by 10.
I'm not going back in that freezer again.
Say goodnight, Mom.
Good night, everybody. Thank